Well, one part of gardening, the biggest part, is definitely the plants and maintaining the plants and harvesting, but another part is kind of behind the scenes, which is the compost and the physical labor. This is extremely tedious hard work, but it's such a good hard work. It gets your heavy muscles moving, it teaches you a skill. This right here is compost that we build. Now this is just one aspect of it. We have the kids build our gardens, we have them move the dirt, we have them aerate the compost, we have them haul the wood chips. These are all things that you don't think about in traditional gardening when you think about gardening. But when the kids leave here, not only do they have these skills, they have a sense of accomplishment. They have a tired from a long work day, but it's a good tired. It's a tired that says, hey, I did something, I learned something, I was part of something bigger. And then when they actually harvest their garden, they know what went into it. I'm working all my major muscle groups. I'm getting rid of some of that energy that might be spent elsewhere, like anger, aggression, stuff like that. I'm using it towards something beneficial and positive for myself and for the community. And at the end of the season, we get beautiful garden soil. Has everything we need to grow a healthy garden.